In this video we're going to show how you can draw an ellipse freehand. So I'm going to show you two different ways how we can draw an ellipse, okay? So I'm just going to start off by drawing a light line here for my minor axis and a line across the major axis. So I can take the distance from the bottom of the minor axis to the middle point and double it over by measuring it on my pencil. So as you can see, there's my minor axis. Now I'm going to take the same distance from the middle here, and I'm going to double it over the far side. Okay, I'm going to mark that in heavy now. So now I have my minor and major axis. I'm now going to label these points A and B, C and D. So A and B is the major axis and C and D is the minor axis. Okay. So next I'm going to draw my ellipse. So I'm going to start by ghosting around these few points A, B, C and D, making sure that my hand includes these points every time. Okay, and then I'll drop the pencil lightly when I'm comfortable and put it on real light, and then I'll go over it heavy when I feel I've created the right shape, as I'm shown here in the video. This is probably the most accurate way of drawing ellipses freehand. Okay, now so the distance from A to the center point is the same distance from the center point to B, and the distance from D to the center point is the same distance from the distance of the center point to C. Okay, now I'm going to turn the sheet over and draw an ellipse freehand without drawing the major or minor axis. So I'm just going to ghost the shape of an ellipse with my hand, and when I'm comfortable I'm going to drop the pencil down. So now I've lightly created the shape, and I'm going to go over it heavy then with a darker pencil, as I'm showing. Okay, so now I've just created the shape of an ellipse, and I'm going to check if this is accurate by drawing a line directly across and down from a major and minor axis. Now I can measure them to see if they're the same size. So the distance from A to the center should be the distance from B to the center, and that's okay. So now the distance from D to the center should be the same from distance from C to the center. Okay, and that's good.